Here's a quick project I did to add mulch in between two green giant trees that had grown up very nicely over the last few years, and now they're encroaching in on the area where I cut my lawn. So I want to make it so it's easier for me to cut, making the trimming easier as well. On the surface, it seems like a no-brainer, but after years of going around and in between each of these trees and getting whacked in the face more and more as they grew, it was time to do something about it. So I laid out some bags of mulch first to see how much I would need, and then to also kill the grass underneath. So the first thing I needed to do was move the mulch, take a look at the area where the mulch had been sitting, and clean up the lines, getting it ready for the new mulch. Once I was satisfied with the edge between both of the trees, I laid down a barrier of cardboard that I had been saving up as a natural weed barrier, getting it ready to mulch. After laying down a very thick layer of mulch, I think it turned out very nicely between these two green giants. Then I went on to finish the other job between the green giant and the crepe myrtle. And here is the finished project. This project may seem like a no-brainer. However, when we first put in these trees, we had a lot more space in between the trees, and it wasn't a problem to cut and trim. But as you can see, my wife and I really love trees, and there'll be ample opportunity for me to do more projects like this in the future. So if you like this, please like and follow, and have a great day.